after the break, and coming up in 7 News at 6, we have more on the developing flood emergency across the southeast.
And severe warnings are current for heavy rainfall and flash flooding. I'll have all your weather details after the break.
Samantha Heathwood is here now with the top stories coming up soon in the News at 6.
Amanda, we'll have more on the Gold Coast flooding crisis. Roads cut, drivers rescued, houses inundated and campers stranded. Full coverage of the evolving emergency and how did the devastating New Year deluge catch the Weather Bureau by surprise? Also tonight, when Australia's Princess Mary will become Queen of Denmark, and how Queensland, Australia and the rest of the world rang in 2024. We'll see you for 7 News at 6, straight after the weather.
Thank you, Sam. Well, it is weather time now. Let's check back in with Liz Cantor after an eventful 24 hours, Liz.
Thanks, Amanda. Hello, everyone. What a wet start to 2024. We saw an incredible amount of rain overnight. Some suburbs received upwards of 300 millimetres. And behind me, you can see the fury of what is coming down from Tamborine Mountain through the Coomera River. We will continue to see our waterways rise and swell tonight. Now, let's get stuck into the current conditions. Here in Oxenford, it is 22 degrees with gusty east-southeasterly winds. Here's a look at today's temperatures. Much cooler under the thick cloud. You can see for Coomera, there was only 2 degrees difference between night and day with 21 to 23. On the satellite, rain areas are moving in from the ocean with the potential to become severe thunderstorms. Easterly flow will continue to bring a lot of moisture onshore, feeding into the current rain areas around the southeast and border region. Tomorrow, coastal areas will remain the focus of thunderstorms. Then hopes are in the afternoon we'll see an easing trend with patchy showers. However, our rivers and waterways will continue to rise. For our suburbs, 21 to 27 along the beaches, 19 to 26 for Nerang. For Surfers Paradise, 21 to 27 with the risk of thunderstorms continuing. On our waters, easterly winds turning southeasterly in the early afternoon, winds reaching up to 25 knots offshore south of Point Lookout, and the swell is easing back. It's recommended tomorrow to avoid all river mouths. Burleigh, Tallebudgera Creek, Currumbinally and Duramba will all be high risk for debris, and conditions are suited to an increase in sharks. Looking ahead, heavy rain could continue at any time. Hopes are for showers to ease back late tomorrow. Wednesday, possible showers. Thursday, mostly sunny with a top of 30. And Sunday, for those heading to the Magic Millions Polo, a top of 29 with a chance of light showers. So Amanda, it's likely we'll see flood warnings from tonight onwards. Those flood risks will become flood warnings.
Right, it's certainly not over yet. Thank you, Liz, and thank you for your company for this first local bulletin of the year. The latest on the flood emergency is next in 7 News at 6. Stay safe. Good night.